wire doesn't seem to be working. I need to get my tools so I can fix it. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's a weed whacker. Let's see, it's what's that? 39? 72, right? Yeah, 72. This'll work. Found the problem. It's got no rhythm. Oh, that's real bad joke. Yeah, but I think I fixed it. Let's see what we can get going now. Ooh, not bad. Let's try this. See if it gets going. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Well, I need to get my impact gun from my tool shed. I'll be right back. Ah, there it is. My impact gun. Whew. And my staple gun. Ow, my finger. Got my impact wrench. Staple gun. Just need my hammer now. Where'd that hammer go? Hey, where'd my hammer go? My tools are gone. I reckon the only thing that could have happened was somebody stole my tools. Now, who would steal my tools? Well, I better call the little heroes and have them come investigate this thing. Where'd my phone go? Oh, I think I left it in the tool shop. Be right back.
Dispatch to 1.
Roger.
Yeah, the sketchy mechanic just called. He was working at his shop and he went to grab a tool, and when he came back, someone had stole all of his tools.
I'll go catch the person who stole the tools. Come on, let's go catch those tools.
Oh, my best hammer. Oh, thank goodness you're here. Oh, they took my tools right out from under my nose.
Don't worry, Sketchy mechanic. We'll go get your tools back.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. That's my pretty red hammer. We gonna get him now. Yeah.
Gotta be some evidence around here You're going to jail, Hawk, for stealing. People at home, how long do you think he should stay there? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Subscribe right here over here. Bye, everyone. Come on, let's go to jail.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
They have excellent food there.
Oh, I love food. Donut?
Sort of.
Pizza?
No.
Oh, I love pizza. You like pizza?
Yeah.
Oh,